In this video I will tell you the method of Mendeley web importer. If you want to add any web page or anything on the internet page like from browser, then you can easily add it to your Mendeley just with one click. So the method of doing is, first of all, search Mendeley web importer on your Google. From there, click here. I have already installed the extension C. This is the extension for Mendeley web importer. You also have to do is this, that install the get web importer for Chrome. So after doing this, I'm going to search some articles like you can see this is the article from nature.com. Electric cars and batteries, how will the world produce enough? So for this, click here on the extensions, click Mendeley web importer. From there you can see this is our article. Just click here, add to Mendeley. It is added. You will see this kind of option, a tick here. So now go back, references. No, it will not directly come here. For example, if you search here electric cars, you will not see here search. It will not be available in your searches. So for this, you have to do is that go to Mendeley. See, our latest article is not listed here. So again, click on sync. Now it is added. So every time when you add a web page or anything from a web browser, you have to sync your Mendeley desktop. Now if we insert here, see, our article is available here. Click OK. Similarly, if you want to generate list of references, you can generate from here. I will also show you some other articles from here, like I select this website, click here, see, add to Mendeley. In this way you can use Mendeley web importer. Please always sync after adding a web page. See, it is listed here. Thank you.